Hello, this is Mayank Kashyap. I am a student of ISOMES from the 2016-19 batch. I have done my bachelor's from ISOMES. Currently, I am working as a senior sub-editor in News 9, which is the digital arm of TV9 Bharatvarsh. I have also worked with news organizations like NewsX and News24 in the past. If you are watching this video, then you must understand how essential it is to practically grasp things before you enter the media industry. And here at ISOMES, our teachers and professors give us top-notch training in the institute to understand the nitty-gritties of the studio and the PCR and other desks that work within a news channel.